large gust of wind, stuff for cover. So this is Becca.
I'm not dressed or have makeup on.
Hello YouTube world. So Hurricane Irene's hitting. I'm going to show you the effects of it. We'll be outside in a moment. Here is the aftermath of Hurricane Irene. So, it's windy. There's a tree fallen in my pool. And in my neighbor's pool. And that's where it was. Hopefully we have insurance. And then, this is pleasant printing. Looks like I'm not swimming this summer. Here's Becca. The storm is not over. It is still windy.
Oh, okay. That's not cool.
So, we're going into Becca's yard and guess whose pool also got destroyed. Oh, it's not her pool, it's just her deck. Oh, and then here's this. It sounds like things are still breaking.
I'm really upset.
And it is still incredibly windy. Alright, goodbye. Recording again. Anyway, this is Becca's pool and deck area. Here's her door. Was your table intentionally over there?
Yeah.
Alright. First have damage, but things fell. Your stove kind of got damaged. Oh. Some stuff over here too. And a random volleyball in your pond. Becca's also vlogging.
And now my pool and my deck is completely dead.
You know, kind of covered. Nothing's really damaged, though. Be grateful, Becca.
I'm going inside.
We're going to take a trip around the block, see all the damage. This storm is only getting worse. You saw my pool. The tree fell from right there. Here's their pool. And another big gust of wind just came in. Becca's house got hurt. What? Oh, power lines. Oh, fence down. I'm surprised we still have power at our house. Power line's not down. Ah! We were afraid this tree's gonna fall on us. We're in like a doctor's office. Woo! only houses that had something down on it. Otherwise, they're just like branches. It really got to be scary. We're going inside. Bye! Any final words, Becca?
Stop.